Hey everybody, welcome to PropBetEdge. This is the MLB edition. Just want to show some updates and some features of the website. First thing I want to show is this neat feature where there is a game alert and it'll tell you if there's a game postponed. Look, for example, it shows St. Louis Cardinals versus the Reds today on May 22nd. It is postponed due to rain. So that will always be a feature, and it'll pop up in real time as soon as that alert is actually come through and notified. Another thing I wanted to look at is that we've already touched that the algorithm is picking selections, props, HR props, K props, alt props, and I want to show what we have on the website and give you the inside of our track record because we are completely transparent. This is what the algorithm is doing and what it's doing versus the market. And what I mean by the market is these are the data points that what the average market with an edge is currently ranked at. So, with that being said, about 8% is what the market hit rate is on an HR prop. Our algorithm early on, while it's still compounding, it's still learning, it's still growing, is already over double the average market pick. So that's a great start. We got a long way to go, and we're going to continue to build this, and it's going to continue to learn, compound, and get better. But it's already beating the market by a long shot. Well, what about the other props? I said I was transparent. Let's be transparent here. Our K props are doing great as well. 6% edge over the market. We're at 56%. In our last 38 picks, we've been at 58%. So our algorithm is doing extraordinarily well on the K props. Let's keep it moving. Total basis. Okay, total basis. Looks like PropBetEdge is ahead there again. 44% versus the market's 35%. And you're going to see all these details. We don't just break it down. We've got the gritty. We're showing you the picks, everything you can see. You don't even have to think about it. It's there. Are these guys fluffing the numbers? Absolutely not. It's all here, data points. You can check it every single day. And we encourage it. Hits. How are we on hits? 63% on hits. Wow. Market is at 35%. So we're crushing it, knocking it out the park. That means 61% of the time, if you listen to the algorithm, you hit 6 out of 10. That's pretty extraordinary. Um, not very many things out there that are going to give you that type of edge. Okay, this one's not as significant. We're looking at the RBI picks, and looks like we're at 29 versus 25%. Not as exciting, but again, algorithm's still learning, is still growing, and it's already ahead of market. How about doubles? Doubles is a tough one, right? Well, look at this, 17%. In every single category, our algorithm is beating the market, and that will continue to get better and continue to grow. Another thing I wanted to show too is our neat feature called the PBEcast, which actually shows real games in live time, 2-second variance with called strikes, pitches from the real actual umpire. You've got box scores, you've got all the player data. It's going to show who our algorithm is picking and a lot more. So that's just a quick deep dive into MLB Prop Bet Edge. Feel free to reach out, and we look forward to having you on board.